Ever wondered how to make the perfect mocha at home? Well, you're in for a treat. Mocha coffee is a divine concoction of espresso, chocolate, and milk that offers a delightful balance of bold and sweet. And the good news? You can recreate this coffee house favorite right in your kitchen using some simple ingredients. A shot of espresso or strong brewed coffee, milk, chocolate syrup, or melted chocolate, and optional add-ons like sugar, whipped cream, and cocoa powder. Get ready to brew a delightful cup of homemade mocha. The foundation of any mocha is a strong coffee base. To start, brew a single shot of espresso or half a cup of strong brewed coffee if you're without an espresso machine. The robust, bold flavor of the coffee is key as it's going to balance the sweetness of the chocolate. Once you have your coffee, it's time for the chocolate. In a small saucepan over low heat, combine 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup or melted chocolate with your freshly brewed espresso. Stir the mixture until the chocolate is completely dissolved, creating a harmonious blend that's both coffee and chocolate in equal measure. This process is vital to achieving that deep, luxurious chocolate flavor that makes a mocha truly special. If your sweet tooth calls for it, feel free to add a teaspoon of sugar. Now, with our flavorful coffee chocolate mixture ready, we move on to the next step. The next step involves steaming the milk to perfection. If you have a milk frother, use it to steam a cup of milk until it's warm and frothy. If a frother isn't part of your kitchen arsenal, don't worry. Heat the milk in a saucepan over medium heat, stirring continuously to prevent it from scorching. For an extra frothy finish, you can whip the heated milk with a hand whisk or even a blender to aerate it. Now, with your milk steamed to a frothy perfection, it's time to combine all the ingredients. Pour your rich chocolate coffee blend into a mug. Then slowly pour in the steamed milk, holding back the foam with a spoon. As the mug fills, gently spoon the frothy milk on top. This creates a creamy texture that's a signature of a well-made mocha. With all the ingredients combined, we're almost ready to enjoy our homemade mocha. Now, for the final flourish. The garnish is more than just an aesthetic touch. It heightens the sensory experience of your mocha. Gently add a dollop of whipped cream on top, creating a soft, cloud-like peak. Then, lightly dust with cocoa powder or sprinkle on some chocolate shavings. This enhances the chocolatey aroma and adds a delightful contrast in textures. And there you have it, your very own homemade mocha. Cheers to the perfect blend of coffee and chocolate that warms the soul.